Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new video, and today we're going to be reviewing the new Bounce Skin Tint by Beauty Blender. If you watch my shop with me online from Sephora that I just did recently, then you know I picked this item up when I did that video. So I'm really excited to try this out just because I tried out one of their foundations a few months ago and I actually really liked it. So I'm excited to see if I would like this as much as I like the foundation. A bit about this skin tint. The coverage is light. It is available in 20 shades. It retails for $29. It has hyaluronic acid. It is a natural finish and it is best for normal to combo skin. Let's just get right into this review. So I already have primer, and for primer today I am using my Givenchy Prism mattifying primer, and I am also going to set my primer, and to set it I'm going to use my Urban Decay mattifying setting powder. I'm just going to set the areas where I get very oily at. Picked up the shade Deep 2. Deep 2 is described as deep skin tone with natural warm undertone. So that's something I always go for, is a neutral undertone. So let's do a quick swatch. This is what it looks like. This looks like it will work for me. Okay, yeah, I'm back with this skin tint on, and this is what my face looks like. This is very skin-like in person. Hopefully it's coming across on camera. I feel like this has pretty good coverage on it. I feel like I got good coverage with using the sponge. You could possibly build this up to maybe medium to full with using a brush. Easy to blend out. I feel like this was a pretty good shade match. It was almost the perfect shade match for me. I like how my face looks right now. No, I'm not too crazy about it. I looked in the mirror and it's just something is a little off. Like I'm not loving it right now, but of course I'm going to wear it for a couple hours and let y'all know what I think. And also, this looks very natural. This is kind of your skin but better, or you can't really tell I have a skin tint on. Like, that's how it looks, but it just, I'm not loving it right now, but I'll see y'all in a couple hours to let y'all know my final thoughts on this skin. Okay, y'all, I'm back after having this skin tint on for a little over 8 hours. I just got home from work, and this is what my face looks like with the skin tint on. As you see, I am starting to look a little shiny in my T-zone area, but that's pretty much the norm. I have oily skin. I feel like this held up pretty nicely throughout the day, especially with it being very humid. I had a mask on today. Also, when I had a mask on, this did transfer a little bit, but it wasn't like a lot. I didn't see a lot of foundation on the mask when I took it off. This is very lightweight. It's very comfortable on the skin. You really feel like you have nothing on. And this is very skin-like as well. I feel like the shade I picked up, Deep 2, was a perfect shade match for me. Like, it was spot on. I feel like this is a skin tint that all skin types will like. This is definitely not matte at all, and it's not dewy. This just gives you a nice radiant look to the skin. By the end of the day, I'm usually in love with the product or I absolutely hate it. This one, I'm actually in the middle with it. I don't hate it and I don't love it either. It's just okay. Do I feel like this is the best skin tint I've tried? No. Do I feel like this is the worst skin tint I've ever tried? Absolutely not. This is just okay. I'm not blown away by it. When I left earlier, I don't know, I wasn't liking how it looked on me. And throughout the day, I still didn't like how it looked. Because sometimes I hate how something look. And then I feel like once it really settles onto my skin and it started looking better and better, I don't feel like this did that at all. For some reason, I just don't like how this looks on me. And that's weird because that usually never happens, where I hate how a complexion product looks on me, especially with it being the perfect shade and everything. I don't know. I don't like how this looked on me. Now, maybe you have to go pick this up and try it out for yourself and see if you like it, see if you don't like it. I don't know, but this is just not a skin tint that I'm absolutely crazy about. It's an okay skin tint. The price range is decent. They have a decent shade range. So 1 to 10, I would honestly give this a 8. Usually I would give a complexion product a 10 when I just absolutely love it. This, I don't love it, but it's not a bad product either. So I'm not going to say, well, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 0. Because this is not a bad skin tint at all. It's just one that I'm not in love with. Like, this, you could pass on. Like, I definitely feel like this is something you could pass on. but it will be up to you whether or not if you want to pick it up and try it out, or if you actually want to pass on it. But anyway, y'all, my thoughts on the Beauty Blender Bounce Always On Radiant Skin Tint. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.